Did you know that the right mirrorless camera can take your content creation game from average to absolutely stunning? Whether you're just starting or upgrading from a smartphone, the right choice can make all the difference. Today, we're ranking the best starter mirrorless interchangeable lens cameras you can buy right now. Get ready for some surprising insights, and don't forget all the links are in the description below, so check them out. On number 5, Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is designed with vloggers and content creators in mind, offering a 24.2 MP APS-C XMOS sensor that captures detailed stills and 4K video downsampled from 6K, producing sharp, vibrant visuals. Its fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen LCD makes framing shots effortless, especially for self-recording. However, the touchscreen is limited to focus point selection rather than full menu navigation, which may slow down work. The biggest downside? No in-body image stabilization, IBIS, meaning you'll need lenses with optical steady shot or an external stabilizer for smooth footage. Compared to compact vlog cameras like the Sony ZV-1, this model offers interchangeable lenses, giving you more creative control. However, if you're new to mirrorless cameras, the need to buy extra lenses can be a drawback. Overall, the ZV-E10 is a budget-friendly and portable entry point into the world of interchangeable lens cameras, perfect for those transitioning from smartphone filming to professional-grade content. On number 4, Sony Alpha A6400. The Sony Alpha A6400 takes things up a notch with its superior autofocus system, featuring real-time IAF and real-time tracking, perfect for those who shoot fast-moving subjects. Its 24.2 MP APS-C sensor and Barnsex processor deliver crisp images and 4K video with full pixel readout, eliminating pixel binning for stunning clarity. However, it lacks IBIS, making handheld shooting trickier compared to IBIS-ejected cameras like the Sony A7E. A unique advantage over the ZV-E10 is its weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, which makes it more durable and suited for outdoor shooting. The flip-up touchscreen is handy for vlogging but can be obstructed by accessories like external mics. The menu system is complex, especially for beginners, but once mastered, the A6400 is a powerhouse for both photography and videography. If autofocus speed and image quality are your priorities, this camera is a step above the ZV-E10 at a reasonable price. On number 3, Sony Alpha 7. Stepping into the full-frame category, the Sony Alpha 799 is a hybrid powerhouse for photographers and videographers alike. Its 33 MP back-illuminated CMOS sensor offers superb detail and low-light performance, while the 759-point phase detection autofocus ensures incredibly precise subject tracking. Video capabilities include 4K at 60 FPS in Super 35 mode and 35 in full-frame mode, utilizing 7K oversampling for exceptional clarity. Unlike the A6400, it does include IBIS, making handheld shooting much smoother. Dual card slots support CF Express Type A and SD UHS-1, offering versatile storage options. However, at 10 flips, its burst shooting speed lags behind cameras like the Canon EOS R6, which is better suited for high-speed photography. If you want top-tier image quality with hybrid flexibility, the A7IV is a solid investment, outshining both the ZV-E10 and A6400 in almost every aspect. But it comes at a significantly higher price. On number 2, Sony Alpha ZV-E10 White Kit version. It's the same ZV-E10, but this time it comes in a stylish white variant with an included lens kit, a perfect all-in-one solution for beginners. Like its black counterpart, it offers 4K video from 6K downsampling, an articulating touchscreen, and a 3-capsule directional microphone for enhanced audio recording. While it lacks IBIS, the ability to swap lenses gives it more versatility than the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, making it a stronger long-term investment. However, rolling shutter issues in 4K video may affect footage quality if you're moving too fast. The ZV-E10 White Kit is an easy, out-of-the-box vlogging solution, great for beginners who want to start shooting immediately without additional lens purchases. It holds its ground against more advanced models like the A6400, but falls short in areas like autofocus speed and stabilization. On number 1, Sony Alpha 7 II. Topping our list is the Sony Alpha 7 II, the first full-frame mirrorless camera to feature 5 Anchis in-body stabilization, IBIS. This alone gives it a huge advantage over the ZV-E10 and A6400. providing steadier handheld shots across various conditions. The 24.3MP full-frame sensor produces images with excellent dynamic range, and while it lacks 4K video, its Full HD at 60 FPS remains a solid option for photographers who don't require ultra-high resolution recording. The hybrid autofocus system is dated compared to the A7i IV, but still performs well for general photography. However, the battery life is short, and the menu system can be complex for new. When compared to the Canon EOS R, the A7 II's IBIS makes it a better choice for handheld shooting, even though Canon's autofocus system is superior. If you prioritize stabilization and full-frame quality without breaking the bank, the Sony A7 II is the best option for beginners stepping into professional photography. So, which camera wins overall based on features, performance, and value? The Sony Alpha 7 IV takes the crown. While it's pricier, it offers the best combination of high-resolution image quality, advanced autofocus, and video features, making it the ultimate hybrid choice for both photographers and videographers. But if you're just starting and want a budget-friendly option, the Sony ZV-E10 kit is a great all-in-one package to get you started immediately. That's a wrap on the best starter mirrorless interchangeable lens cameras you can buy. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, all the links are in the description, so check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.